Guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing Kdmarc, a tool that aims to protect your domain, enhance email marketing ROI, and boost deliverability. This tool is a little bit technical and one of a kind on AppSumo, so I'm gonna read what the founder says about the use case. So, Kdmarc helps you identify the source which sent emails on your behalf. You can have information about which source sent how many emails and whether the emails sent are demarkable capable or not. Generally, the emails will which fall the demarc policy checkland in the recipient spam folders. So the idea here is to prevent brand abuse and protect your consumers, increase your email availability, detect and defend email spoofing, boost email engagement rates, and help to identify your email configuration from SPF, King, and DMARC perspective. So um, DMARC will make the configuration of the technical aspects of your email, so SPF, Key, and DMARC, so everything through the tool, and you will not need to understand deeply DNS to make the configuration on your servers, and also you will track the uh, behavior and the source of your email domain with the idea here to increase your email deliverability. So I'm gonna show you how the tool works. It costs $59, and if you stack more codes, you're gonna get more uh, domains and email verifications per month, per year. Sorry. So here's the Kdmarc dashboard. So you can see here my outbound emails and all my Dkin is configured, my Kdmarc not. I still need to do that. And here you can see with if the email is Kdmarc capable or not. So the one who failed and the one who is green. So it's okay. It's well configured. I'm gonna show you the dashboards and all the features that you have here. So as you can see here, my domain is active, and how you will configure your domain, you're gonna add that line of code on your DNS. So adding the DMARC, Kdmarc will be able to track your domains and also your subdomains. Okay. Here you have a report. So as you can see here, they can see that I use Google to send my emails and all the technical aspects, my SPF and the key as well on Google. You can see the source. So it's where you can check the analytics for the domain, including volume of outbound emails, percentage of failed emails, the mark, and SPF passed email and classification of emails. So you're going to check out if all your emails are being sent accordingly to the DMARC and SPF policies, which will improve your email deliverability if everything is okay. You receive reports by compliance, by sender, geolocalization, receivers, and forwarders. Also on DMARC, you can enter your SPF. So I did not I'm not using that feature because I'm adding my SPF on my hosting using my DNS, but here you can add the Kdmarc SPF and then all your SPF configurations. So if you're gonna send your emails from other source, for instance, Musand or another SaaS, you can directly add that new SPF, for instance, the Musand SPF directly on Kdmarc. So you don't need to use your DNS anymore. You can use Kdmarc to add all your SPF configuration without the need to understand about DNS. Here you can change your Kdmarc policies. So you can see here there's several aspects. You can receive your reports by email. You can make your alignment more stricter or relaxed, so you can let another SaaS send email using your domain or not. So here you can block any third party to send emails using your domain. And here they have a Kdmarc tools. So they have, you can check your SPF records or AAA records, TXT records, DNS records, everything related to your domain. For instance, if I add my domain here and I look up my DNS, they're gonna show which DNS records I have. So they have several tools here that you can use. And also you can add users to uh, set up your account, to help you to organize your email policies and your credentials. With one code, you're gonna get 400k emails per year. So that's a technical tool that can help you to configure your DNS and make your email compliant with um, the email policies, and then you will increase your deliverability. So that is Kdmarc. You can buy on AppSumo right now. If you like that review, please click on the link below and help me to keep going. Goodbye.